this thing on well. What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Brandon. I come with you guys with a brand new video. I'm in the SI, of course. I got my little preview here, so if you guys kind of see me look at that, that's kind of what I'm looking at. Make sure everything's good, looking straight. Just kind of going for a little drive. I asked you guys on Instagram if you guys were down to have a little POV drive video, which I haven't done in a very long time, and I haven't really done a nighttime one. So I just wanted to kind of, you know, do things a little bit differently. Kind of just make a video, just talking. You know, some late night type of things. I hope you guys are enjoying COVID so far. We're about, I believe we're 8 months into COVID. Probably the most boring thing that we're gonna have to go through is something that is new to everyone here. Just hope you guys are staying safe, wearing your masks out there. That's number one. Make sure you guys are wearing your masks because those are important. Just because you might not catch COVID or you might not get it doesn't mean that you can be a passer of it. So just, you know, just be a little bit careful, be a little bit mindful of others. If you guys live with your parents, make sure you guys think about them when you're not wearing your mask and just stuff like that. So before I get into any topics, there's 80% of you guys are still not subscribed to the channel. So if you guys are new here, or you guys are you know, somewhat of a fan of a channel and you guys see my videos every now and then, make sure you guys see that subscribe button. Your boy is trying to hit 3K by the end of the year. I believe we're at 2.7, so we're only 300 subscribers away, but I'm grinding for that 3K by the end of the year. I think it's something that we can do for sure. If you guys are not subscribed and you guys ran into this video, hit that subscribe button. Gonna make more dope videos. But before we obviously get on the freeway, I do want to let you guys know what I have in the car, because a lot of you guys may not know what I have on the car currently. So just give you guys a little rundown. I have a front pipe down pipe from FKX Racing Catalyst. I have Grady's DDR exhaust. I do have PRL cold air intake, which is the Cobra intake. E85 from Civic, which I have down here tucked away, which I'm actually going to try to get it put up on the corner here on the left side, just so it's more visible to me. But as you guys can see, I'm running E there, which I don't know if you guys can see on the camera there. But yeah, pretty much that. A tune from Daniel Butler, the man himself, from Honda, who is running Parametrics. But that's pretty much it as of right now. I do have a stage 3 clutch from Action Clutch with the stock OEM flywheel, which is a custom job from VC Racing himself, who partnered with Action Clutch to get this clutch done. So just to give you guys a little heads up on that, I am running a aftermarket clutch, and it's been holding up good. It still holds. Haven't had any real issues with it yet, but we're gonna kind of go on the freeway here. I'm gonna roll the windows down a little bit. Maybe I'll roll them down all the way. This in the last video, the car at 5,500 RPMs all the way up until red line, which is 6,500 RPM. Car does bog like a little bit, like it misfires a little bit. It did it there and it's still doing it until this day. Obviously I got to change out the spark plugs and try to figure out, you know, just start picking out the problems and see what it could be from there. But yeah, I feel like the problem could be the spark plugs themselves, but I'm gonna change them out and see how that goes, and hopefully it's something like that could just be an easy fix, because I didn't replace the spark plugs last time, and I'm not gonna say the person that did them did a bad job, but I just want to make sure that I do them myself this time and make sure if that is a problem, at least next time I know it is my fault. I think that's an S2K in front of me, huh? S2K or a Bammer. Let's see if the S2K will do a little runs with me. No matter what, man, these things are always clean. Oh yeah, these things are always so clean. That's an older guy too. Oh yeah, not bad. Cool, man. That's the car that I definitely want to get in the future. I do want to get one of those and track one of those, because I feel like that car would be like a hell of a lot more fun. But yeah, hopefully the spark plugs is just a simple fix. A lot of people are DMing me asking, you know, when I do part out this car, that they want certain parts. Guys, I am not parting out the car. I'm actually gonna keep the car. I said in the last video too, but just I don't want to keep it on this car. I do want to keep the car, but I do want another car. Like I want this car and then I want another one. I want this car and another one. Shout out Drake. Bitch, you calling my phone like I lie, duh, non-stop. But yeah, I want to keep this car, but I also do want another car, and I feel like another car might be an Evo, or maybe even a BRZ. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think I should get. It's either gonna be between an Evo 8, 2013 and up BRZ, a 2016 and up WRX. One of those three. Eventually I'm gonna own all three, but I want one of those two to be next. So let me know what you guys want to see next. Maybe within the next year or so I can get one. Hopefully maybe even sooner, but that'd be freaking dope. But yeah, I do want to get, you know, another car. Not saying that I'm tired of this one. I don't know, I just want another one, you know. It's like I'm not tired of it, but I just want something else. I want like something else to work on. Don't get me wrong, like this car is fun. Like I love this car. The SI was my second car. My first car was a FK7, which I have mentioned before, and you guys might see it on the channel still. But I do want another car. I want to get out of the Honda for a little bit, like low key, high key, you know. The community is great. The 10 Gen community has been very welcoming, very open. Haven't had any real beef. If you know, you know. Try a different platform. The 2021 BRZ is coming out. They just did a whole remodel on it. I've seen like the pictures on it. I don't know if I like it or not. Oh, and the 400Z is also coming out too. Let me know if you guys like the 400Z. I kind of like the back end. I'm kind of getting used to the front end after seeing like other people's renders, but I just don't know if that's like a car for me. Though I know in the future, after seeing one modded, I might want to get one, but just right now I just can't see it yet. But I'm excited to see what the community is gonna do with that car. That's something that I'm really interested in. WRX, BRZ, or Evo 8. Let me know down below on which one I should get, and I'm definitely down. The BRZ would be like a stance car, maybe even a drift car. I might make it a drift car. The Subaru would be like a wide body stance car, and then the Evo would be a track car. So just let me know. I don't know. I kind of want the Evo next, but I don't know. I just want all three of them, to be honest with you. GoPro does good like picking up the droning. I am catless, and I do have the DVR exhaust, which is the louder one than the original one that they came out with, the big ball sack. So it is a little loud, so if you guys are not expecting it or you guys don't like it to be loud, this setup is loud. It's loud in here. The droning is pretty bad. Something that I'm used to already, and I got used to pretty quickly. Something that, you know, I really don't care for. Oh, I also do have a rear motor mount, which I'm thinking about replacing for the stock one, only because I just feel too much, and I'm kind of overfilling that much. That the clutch chatter and just having the motor mount there is just a little too much for me. Can you guys hear it backfire or no? I feel like you guys are able to hear it. I don't know, maybe I'll run it back if I can hear it or not, but it backfires pretty high, and a lot too. I feel like a lot of the power gets cut off, so I don't know. I might hit Daniel for that and just try to figure out, or maybe even Also Sick, who's Nick, by the way. Maybe he can help me out and try to figure out what the problem is. But yeah, hopefully it's a simple fix. So really, this car has only been getting problems on problems. Problems on problems on problems on. Oh, nice blinker, bro. Always use your blinker, guys. Guysing. Gotta turn up for the boys, no cap. I don't care about no copyright strikes. I'm here to turn up, bitches. Ah! She told me put my heart in the bag. Ain't nobody gets hurt. Not running from your love. I'm not fast. Yeah, hey, yeah, hey. Yeah, yeah, hey, hey, yeah, hey, yeah, hey, yeah. I was a 200 mess. Hey, can't keep keep my dick in my pants. Ay, love me no more. Ay, she keep me out of life, bro. Ay, how am I to ride? Just kind of been a little locked up in the house. Obviously quarantine's still going on, quarantine's still affect. The Lakers won. Hey, Lakers are world NBA world champs. So if you guys are an LA fan, what they do, baby, or a Lakers fan I should say. But yeah, Lakers won. I mean, not really too much going on in my life right now. Just kind of just been chilling, kind of just been plotting low key, thinking about what to do next on the computer, like what am I gonna do next? But I just want to say, you know, just thank you guys so much for the love and support that I've been given recently. It's been one hell of a ride. It's been a fun one. It's been an amazing one. You guys have shown me nothing but love. Even while I wasn't uploading, you guys still showed love. We hit 2K in a year, which is crazy. So just thank you guys so much. I've probably been doing YouTube for a very long time. Like, I did it in high school, but I've been taking it seriously within the past year, maybe year and a half, and we've grown about 2,000 subs since I've been taking it serious. So this just goes to show you, man, that I'm ready for anything. And if you guys have a dream as well, just go out and chase it, man. You know, you're never gonna live your life happily knowing that you didn't chase a dream that you wanted to do. No matter what it is, if it's like getting the job that you want, or if you want to, you know, just dream big. Just work hard for it. Never let anyone tell you can't do it. You know, even in high school, people told me that I couldn't hit 100 subs. I hit 100 subs. They told me I couldn't hit 5. I hit 5. I got stuck for about 2 years in the 500 mark because I wasn't taking it serious, because I had no content to produce. And then I just got into cars very heavily, and you know, the community in general has just been nothing but inviting and having a lot of fun doing it. So you know, just meeting a lot of new people, meeting a lot of new friends, just all around just having a good ass time, man. So just thank you guys so much for the love and support. If you guys were my friend, thank you guys. If you guys are my friends, thank you. Just, you know, for everyone who's motivated me to be the better me, you know, you guys all have a play effect of everything that's going on around me. So just a big thank you. And like I said, if you guys have a dream, go out and chase it, because you just never know what's gonna happen. You know, if you keep working and keep grinding your ass off, anything is possible. And I kind of seen a little of that light, you know, just with everything that's going on within the past year, and just seeing like stats and numbers and stuff. It's just been ridiculous. So just thank you, man, so much again and again, and you know, I'm gonna keep thanking you guys over and over again, because like I said, just the love and support has just been unreal lately. You know, just keep grinding, keep flexing. I think that's gonna be my new thing. Oh, that guy scared the shit out of me. I think that's gonna be my new thing. Oh, tunnel pull. Little short one. You know, just keep grinding, keep flexing. That's gonna be my new thing, because I feel like, you know, sometimes I just like to do a little flex. So I think I'm just gonna flex one time for the one time. You know what I'm saying? But just, man, just thank you guys just for the love and support. It's been unreal. Right now we're at 2.7. I'm trying to hit 3K by the end of the year. And hopefully next year we can reach that 10K mark. But you know, it's just one step at a time, one day at a time, one video at a time. And yeah, man, I mean, I just want to be able to get back to my community one day. So just, you know, just thank you guys so much. When we hit 3K, I'm gonna do another giveaway. I've been doing a giveaway after every 1,000 up until 10,000, and then after 10,000, every 10,000 I'll be doing a giveaway. So yeah, just thank you guys so much for the love and support. Again, thank you guys just so much. And like I said, man, if you guys have a dream, go out and do it. Like I said, whether it be to get the job that you want, or the position that you want, or like the girl you want, you know, just anything you want to do, man, just make it reality. Don't always just dream about it. Just, you know, it's only a dream until it happens to you. That's the number one thing that, you know, just kind of sticks in my head a little bit. And it's just like, you know, I'm dreaming about, you know, being successful and being able to do this as a living. You know, I just want to be able to help others, and there's a big story behind it that I'm not able to kind of tell yet, but it's coming soon. So stay tuned for all that. Like I said, thank you guys so much for the love and support. I know I'm kind of rambling off here, so I'm gonna end it here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll be back with more POV videos. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. We're trying to hit 3K. But just thank you guys, man. I love you guys so much. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys haven't already. Dab, peace.